Hey Car Trend fam! Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the coolest and most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. Today, we've got something truly unique and adventurous for you, the *2025 Mitsubishi Motorhome. That's right, Mitsubishi is stepping into the world of motorhomes, and we're here to give you an exclusive first look. Whether you're a road trip enthusiast or just love innovative vehicles, this one's for you. Let's dive in. First up, the design. The 2025 Mitsubishi Motorhome is a perfect blend of ruggedness and comfort. With its bold, aerodynamic exterior, LED lighting, and a sleek front grille, this motorhome is built to turn heads on the highway. Plus, it's got a compact yet spacious design, making it perfect for both urban adventures and off-road escapades. Now, let's step inside, and trust me, you're going to love this. The interior is where the magic happens. Think cozy sleeping quarters, a fully functional kitchenette, and a compact bathroom with all the essentials. The living area is designed for comfort, with plush seating, a foldable dining table, and large windows to let in all that natural light. It's like a home on wheels. But wait, there's more. The 2025 Mitsubishi Motorhome is packed with tech. It features a state-of-the-art infotainment system with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and even a solar panel roof to keep you powered up on the go. Plus, it's equipped with advanced safety features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. Under the hood, this motorhome is powered by a hybrid engine, combining a fuel-efficient gas engine with an electric motor for eco-friendly travel. Whether you're cruising down the highway or exploring remote trails, the 2025 Mitsubishi Motorhome is ready for any adventure. So, what do you think about the 2025 Mitsubishi Motorhome? Is it the ultimate road trip companion or just a cool concept? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Trend for more awesome updates from the world of cars and beyond. Until next time, keep exploring and chasing those adventures. Peace out.